Assalamu alaikum. How are you all doing? Good. Okay, this is your computing class grade 1 and today we will be talking about importance of computers. Okay, I guess in yesterday's class we talked about computing family. We discussed the things that are related to computers like by computing family I means that what are the things which are linked to computer in one way or the other, right? And in that we talked about the different roles of computer in those particular fields that makes that all of these things, all of these fields as a computer's family. Okay, now in today's class we will be writing few points about the importance of computers. I have already discussed all of these things, but we will be writing all of these. We will be making points for that, right? Okay. Now, what we need to do first, let's start by watching a video, and then we will write those points, all of those things in the form of points. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen, and you need to show me a thumbs up if the screen is visible to you. Okay. Let's watch the video.
We will learn the importance of computers in our life.
Okay. Let me share again because so that sound of the video is also audible to you. Okay. Okay.
Computer, laptop, iPad, or mobile, they all are machines. We can do online shopping these days with the help of these machines. We can also call them devices. The computer helps us do the online banking. We can send money from one place to another through the help of these devices. My daddy works from home through these machines. And my classes are also going on online with the help of these devices. I can talk to my teachers and my fellow students and study online. When we go on drive, daddy also clicks the Google Maps for the direction. I use Google to search a lot of things, and there is a lot of information on YouTube as well. These devices also help us to connect with people through social media. That could be email, WhatsApp, chat.
Okay, so class, that we have watched a video together, and now I'll be asking you guys. You are supposed to tell me in the form of points that what we have seen in the video. Okay, in the video, the person he talks about some of the great uses of computer or some of the uses that have become now an important part of all of our lives, right? Okay, let's start writing those points. Let's discuss them and then we will write them as well. Okay, open your notebooks. All of you, open your notebooks and prepare a page. Hurry up. Now we will be writing all of those things in the form of a points. Okay, let's start from the point number one is that we can use computers for online shopping. Okay. It says that we can use computers for online shopping, but by what does this mean? That, in the corona time, I discussed this with you earlier as well, that in the corona time, people adopted this mode of shopping a lot. Previously, it was there as well. Previously, people do shop online. They order things from different stores and then it reached to their door. But this method became a common thing in this corona time, in the lockdown time when we were not allowed to go to bazaars, when we were not allowed to go for shopping, we were, strictly ordered to maintain social distance, right? So we adopted this mode of shopping. We adopted this mode of buying things for us. Why? Because when we need something, it was not possible that we sit for such a long time, right? The lockdown was there for like a year, so we cannot sit in our homes for a year if we need something. So we were for the things we need, or we need them on daily basis, or which were the our basic needs, we adopted this mode, right? And what we do, there are some special sites, or what we say, there are some trusted sites from where we can order things. You cannot order anything from anywhere. There are some trusted sites, let's say Daraz, which people use for a lot of people use for shopping. Why? Because their products are good. You can easily exchange thing. If you do not like it, the payment is done after you receive the thing, right? Then there are some famous brands, some clothing brands like Khadi, Varda, Sana Safina's female brands, right? We can order things from there, and they also take the cash or the money or the payment after you receive the item, right? So all of these facilities, when the online shops, they provided the people with all of these facilities, people adopted this mode of shopping, right? Well, the second point, but before doing that, it is strictly advised to not order from anywhere, right? You first need to look for the comments, look for the reviews. If somebody have previously ordered something from that, was the product good, was it usable or not, was the quality of it was good or not? So you need to first clarify all of these things and then order something. Beside that, we can also transfer we can also transfer money through online banking. Now, what online banking is, online banking means that every bank have created their app. Like, let's say I'm using Mizan Bank, so Mizan Bank has created their own app. Through that app, you can easily transfer the money, you can receive, and you can send it as well. Beside that, you can use that app, you can do the payment of anything through that app as well. You can pay your bills as well, you can share the funds as well. So that you can charge your phone as well, charge the balance. If you want to send the balance to your phone, you can do that as well. So there are a lot of functions, a lot of things that you can do through a single mobile app. So online banking means that by using this internet, by using the online way, you can easily transfer the money, you can easily receive and send money to somebody, right? So this is another facility, another importance, another use of computer that we have recently adopted. Now let's look at the third point. We can use computers to socially connect with people. Previously it was not possible that you can talk to anybody, or you can easily contact to somebody. If somebody is sitting in America and England, if Dubai or somewhere, like at such a distance, you cannot easily talk to them, right? But now there are certain apps, there are a lot of apps basically through which you can easily connect to people around the globe, like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, there is Instagram, and many a lot, right? So through these apps, what we do basically, we connect with people, we are socializing more. Now we can easily contact to somebody, you can email somebody, you can send a message through the Facebook, you can put a call. So there are a lot of apps through which you can easily connect to the people and you can socialize with them, right? If you need any help, if you want to talk to them, if you want to ask about something, you can easily contact them, or you can easily sell or buy something, right? You can use this method of socializing for selling your items as well. So this is the third importance, right? Okay, now let's look at the fourth thing. We use computers. Okay, the use that we are the way we are using it right now. We use computers for what? For online study, right? We use computers for online study as well, right? Like the way we are using it right now. You people are sitting in front of me, you with using your camera, I'm using this camera to connect with you, and through this online mode we are taking these classes. So we can use the computers for online study as well, right? So this is another one use, right? Now, and this mode of study, or this mode of education, has also become common in this corona time. Previously people prefer physical classrooms. The people go to the universities, schools, colleges, and they take classes and they can communicate with their teachers. But now this mode has become very common, and people are getting familiar with it through different apps. Through internet we can connect with our teachers, we can ask questions from them, we can watch certain videos, online information, and through that we can study whatever we want to, right? And the last but not the least use of computer is that we can watch certain things like YouTube or different apps through which you can watch certain things on computers. Similarly, you can search not only videos, there are certain apps on which you can find any related information, even if it's a document, it's a video, it's an audio, anything, but whichever you want, you can get that. So these are some of the main basic uses of the computer which now people are using, or people are adopting them for making their life easier, right? So computer is one of the great advancement or great technology which is helping us in all of these ways. If there would be no computer, there would be, so our life would be at hard, right? We cannot work, we cannot go outside, we cannot, if we would do not have options to go outside, if we were allowed strictly ordered to maintain distance, how would we, how was it possible to study, how was it possible to work? So work from home is also another option, right? Like I'm working from my home, I'm teaching you guys, and similarly work, education from home is also an option, like you are getting education from home. So these uses, all of these benefits that we are now using, that we are enjoying, is because of this great advancement, this great technology, which is computer. Right now you open your book, page number 10. This is book page number 10, and here written as how people use computers, right? You have asked someone outside school how they use computers. What did they say? The answer would be, I use computers to find things out. Now, my computing family means that the way how computer is connected to all of these things. So I use computers to find things out. This means that he searched for different things on the computer. The second person says, I use computers to play games. Now, this is another use that you can use it for gaming. I use computers to work. Now, this is adopting the, he is adopting work from home strategy, right? And the last is we use computers to talk to people in our family. They are using to socially connect with their loved ones, to talk with them, right? Okay. Now, I have mentioned the 5 or 6 uses of computers. Now, what you need to do is you need to first write them in your notebook. Hurry up, start writing. You can use your own wording. You can give your own examples as well. Okay, class. So all of you are done. That was all for today. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, we will be doing some practical work, and then you will have a small assessment from your the whole work that you have done in the whole week. And then in the next week onward, we will be starting a new topic. Okay, so that was all. Take care and Allah Hafiz.